Hello everyone, in one of the videos I told you how to follow a channel on WhatsApp on an Android phone. But how do we create a channel if we want to do it by ourselves? So let me tell you how to create a channel on an Android phone on your WhatsApp. Now these were chats, now go to updates, just slide it in and see these are the channels that we have to follow, but now you have to click on the three dots on top right corner and click on create channel, right? It will ask you to continue, and in short it is telling that it will be all public and people can follow you. Now if you continue, you will get this screen on your phone, and you have to name your channel and write a proper description so that followers can know what this channel is about. The name cannot itself define it always, right? So my channel name is life, and this is the description that I have just put right now. And now we will see which profile photo we have to give to this channel. So the circle icon type that you have to click. Now you will have four options: camera, gallery, emoji and WhatsApp web, basically the search web, right? So I've clicked on that, and I can just write anything and some photos will come up. So I've selected this one and I'm going to done it. You can also rearrange it by clicking on the center option. Now I'm trying for emoji. You can take any emoji or maybe sticker if you want. So I have just tried to search like life, and this DNA things came up, so I've selected this. Now I will go for gallery, just simply how you choose photos from gallery you have to do. So I've just selected a blank one. Now we're going to do with a camera. So this notebook I have, so just to show you, I've clicked a picture. You can also edit it and retry, and crop it also at the same time. See, you can see on the screen. Now I clicked on done, but what I actually prefer is the search web photo. So this is the one. So I'm going to select it, click on done, and the photo will be there. So just click on save changes and it will be done. Right now this is the info option, info area of your channel, where you can see that you can invite admins, you can share the link, you will have a channel link, and you can see that you are the creator of this channel. You can simply, like other info descriptions, you can check other things, except that there is option for insights as well, where once people will start following you, you will get an insight how many followers you have got, etc, etc, right? So that's what it is. You can share it, as you can see on the screen it is mentioned share channel link or share to my WhatsApp status. You can do it that directly, and you can send anything like you send to your friends or groups, right? So I'm just writing something here, and you can see that I can add my photos, etc, as well, stickers or anything, just click on send. That is it. You can change your profile later as well, so I did that only because while creating the channel I forgot to. And you can change the name as well, right? So here's it is mentioned you created this channel, right? So you gotta do this, you gotta share it with your friend, get the followers. You can simply use the message to tell what you want to tell on this channel, and this is a public channel, please make sure of it. So be mindful of what you are sending. So that is it about the channel. See you in the next video, where I'll just explain you more about what more can you do with the features of a channel basically. See you in the next video. Tada.